Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on the fascinating topic of endocrine regulation of energy expenditure. In this lecture, we will delve deep into the intricate mechanisms by which hormones control our metabolism and influence various aspects of energy expenditure. From the basal metabolic rate to appetite regulation, lipid metabolism, and even the effects of hormones on energy expenditure in specific conditions such as obesity, starvation, exercise, diabetes, circadian rhythms, and aging, we will cover it all. So let's get started. To understand the role of hormones in energy expenditure, it is crucial to have a basic understanding of hormones themselves. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by various endocrine glands in our body. They travel through our bloodstream and bind to specific receptors in target tissues, triggering a cascade of physiological responses. The fundamental concept behind the regulation of energy expenditure is the maintenance of energy balance, which is achieved by balancing energy intake and energy expenditure. Energy expenditure can be categorized into three major components: resting metabolic rate, thermogenesis, and physical activity. Hormones play a pivotal role in regulating each of these components, ensuring that energy expenditure is finely tuned to meet our body's demands. Basal metabolic rate, BMR, refers to the energy expenditure required to maintain essential physiological processes while at rest. It accounts for the majority of our total energy expenditure. Several hormones, such as thyroid hormones, play a crucial role in regulating BMR. Thyroid hormones increase the metabolic rate by stimulating oxygen consumption and heat production in virtually all cells of the body. Additionally, other factors, such as age, body composition, and genetic variations, can also influence BMR. Appetite regulation is a complex process involving various hormones that signal hunger or satiety to our brain. Ghrelin, known as the hunger hormone, is produced in the stomach and stimulates appetite. On the other hand, hormones like leptin, produced by adipose tissue, and peptide Y, produced in the gastrointestinal tract, suppress appetite and signal satiety to the brain. The intricate interplay between these hormones helps maintain a healthy energy balance by controlling our desire to eat and determining when we feel full. Thermogenesis refers to the generation of heat by our body, which contributes to energy expenditure. Brown adipose tissue, BAT, is a specialized type of fat that plays a central role in thermogenesis. It is rich in mitochondria and is stimulated by hormones such as norepinephrine and thyroid hormones. When activated, BAT produces heat by burning stored fat. This process, known as non-shivering thermogenesis, helps regulate body temperature and modulate energy balance. Lipid metabolism is tightly regulated by various hormones to ensure proper storage and utilization of fats. Insulin, released by the pancreas, promotes the uptake and storage of dietary fats into adipose tissue. Adiponectin, another hormone secreted by adipose tissue, enhances lipid oxidation and improves insulin sensitivity. In contrast, hormones like glucagon and catecholamine stimulate the breakdown of stored fats, thereby increasing lipid metabolism. Skeletal muscle comprises a significant portion of our total body mass and is a key determinant of energy expenditure. Hormones such as insulin, growth hormone, testosterone, and cortisol regulate skeletal muscle metabolism. Insulin promotes glucose uptake by muscle cells, providing a vital energy source, while growth hormone and testosterone stimulate protein synthesis and muscle growth. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, can affect muscle metabolism by promoting protein breakdown during prolonged stress or fasting. Obesity is characterized by an imbalance between energy intake and expenditure, often leading to excessive fat accumulation. Hormonal dysregulation plays a significant role in the development and maintenance of obesity. Hormones such as leptin, adiponectin, insulin, and ghrelin are altered in obese individuals, promoting increased appetite, reduced energy expenditure, and impaired lipid metabolism. Understanding the hormonal adaptations in obesity is crucial for developing effective strategies for weight management. During periods of prolonged fasting or starvation, our body undergoes significant hormonal adaptations to preserve energy and maintain vital functions. Hormones like insulin, glucagon, and cortisol work together to regulate glucose production, fat utilization, and protein breakdown. Insulin levels decrease, promoting the breakdown of stored fats for energy, while glucagon and cortisol increase, ensuring a constant supply of glucose for vital organs such as the brain. Exercise has profound effects on energy expenditure, and hormones play a crucial role in mediating these responses. Exercise stimulates the release of hormones such as adrenaline and growth hormone, which mobilize stored energy and promote muscle adaptation. Additionally, exercise increases insulin sensitivity, allowing for better glucose uptake by muscle cells. Understanding the hormonal response to exercise is essential for optimizing physical performance and promoting overall health. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by impaired glucose regulation. Hormones such as insulin and glucagon are dysfunctional in individuals with diabetes, leading to imbalances in energy metabolism. Insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes, reduces the ability of insulin to promote glucose uptake, resulting in high blood sugar levels. Hormonal therapies, lifestyle modifications, and exercise can help normalize energy expenditure and improve glucose control in individuals with diabetes. Circadian rhythms, our internal biological clock, regulate various physiological processes, including energy expenditure. Hormones like melatonin and cortisol exhibit a circadian pattern and influence energy metabolism. Melatonin, commonly associated with sleep regulation, has been shown to affect carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. Cortisol levels peak in the morning, promoting energy mobilization for the day ahead. Disruptions in circadian rhythms, such as shift work or jet lag, can disrupt energy balance and contribute to metabolic disorders. Aging is associated with numerous hormonal changes that impact energy expenditure. Hormones such as growth hormone, testosterone, and estrogen decline with age, affecting muscle mass, metabolism, and body composition. These changes contribute to a decrease in basal metabolic rate and an increased risk of metabolic disorders. Understanding the hormonal regulation of energy expenditure in aging is vital for promoting healthy aging and preventing age-related metabolic diseases. In conclusion, hormones play a pivotal role in the regulation of energy expenditure. From controlling basal metabolic rate to appetite and satiety, thermogenesis, lipid metabolism, and skeletal muscle metabolism, hormones orchestrate a complex network to maintain energy balance. Understanding the intricate mechanisms by which hormones influence energy expenditure in various conditions, such as obesity, starvation, diabetes, exercise, circadian rhythms, and aging, is crucial for developing effective strategies for managing metabolic disorders and promoting overall health. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this lecture enlightening.